Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES. You know, the song hasn't really changed. It's just been a really hard market to buy dips in because of the politically generated volatility, I guess is the best way to put it. We're still on this march to 1430 to 1435, and I talked about that last week, and that's still my thinking. We did as high as 1424 in the Globex this morning. I think that we are in the process because I told my subscribers this last night. We make this low down here when everybody goes out on the lawn of the White House and gives that press conference about how we might be able to come together on something with regard to the fiscal cliff. That's one. Number two, we're not going over the fiscal cliff. You know why? Because we're America and we just don't do that kind of stuff. We'll kick the can down the road. We'll come up with something. It'll be exciting. It'll be dramatic. Someone will get to be the hero, but we're not going over the cliff. So I think what you're seeing here with the market up basically 11 out of 12 days with respect to this move is you're seeing a gigantic buy the rumor. You've seen 1340 to 1424. You've seen 84 handles of buy the rumor. Sometime in the next 29 days, I think we're going to get a deal. I think when we get that deal, you're going to see some kind of euphoria, and I think that euphoria is going to be a sell. So we need to be mindful of the big picture here, and this just smells, looks, feels like buy the rumor. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It may not be any more complicated than that. What I'm looking for today, I'm looking for new highs today. I'm looking for 1424 to get challenged, and I'm looking for the 1428 level. If you're a bull, you really don't want to go straight to 1430 to 1435 from here because you're going to be way too tired by the time you get there to really do anything about being able to hold that level. You guys know I like to trade Bollinger Band punches, and if we punch the Bollinger Band here on the daily, I'm going to be a seller. And even if that means I'm a couple days early, that's okay with me. If we pull back, I would expect the daily pivot at 1415 to act as support. I would also expect the 1405 to 1406 level, which is the 50-day exponential moving average, and the 3-day pivot to act as kind of a secondary support. If you break that level, then if you break 15, you're really going to probably do 1408 to 1406. If you break 1406, then you're going to do 1398, and then we're going to have to see what happens from there. But every time the bears seem to pick up any momentum, there's some kind of a headline that tends to move it back up. So I think the trend is higher right now in anticipation of some kind of a deal in Washington, and what happens after that deal is made remains to be seen. So we've got ISM at 10 o'clock and construction spending. Remember, as soon as we get into Wednesday through Friday is going to be all about jobs. We've got non-farm payrolls Friday morning at 8:30. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader, for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.